Hi everyone! Today we are going to power up the legendary Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 using the laboratory power supply, its original BMS board. I already removed the dead battery cells and the controller of camera. Check them. One cell shows only 0.1 volts and the other is at 0.02 volts. They're clearly dead. The tablet itself is still a great shape. Here's a look at the motherboard and the ribbon cables. I will prepare two wires that will solder to the BMS board. First, let's prime them using a third-hand tool. We need to solder these wires in parallel, exactly where the original cells were connected, while keeping the polarity in mind. The board has a 6-wire output, 2 for plus, 2 for minus, and 2 for ID and temperature sensor. I am tuning the pads on the board now. Here is the final result. Let's connect the BMS to the motherboard and secure it with some Kapton tape. I'll set my power supply to 3.6 volt and 3 amps. Connecting the alligator clips. Pressing the power button and nothing happens. That's because the controller in sleep mode. To wake it up, we need to kickstart it by applying voltage directly to the connector pins. That's more like it. It's alive. It's working. I increased the voltage to 4.2 volts. Let's set the date and time. The browser still works, but its time has passed. Finally, I'll use the old battery housing to secure the board inside. Back in the day, this was a great tablet, but now, due to its specific architecture and Intel processor running Android, it's best used as a second monitor for PC or laptop. If you are interested in now to turn it into a secondary display, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.